Dr. Stalin-ji and Honorable PCC President Shri Thiruji, Honorable leaders present here, friends from the media and the press, I'm very happy to be here in the beautiful capital, Chennai of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a state which has always fought for social justice and inclusiveness and the great democratic values we hold so dear. Respected Karunanidhi ji is a force to reckon with so far as social justice, democratic values are concerned. And that is the binding factor that we have between DMK and Congress Party. Today, as I am here, I want to request all the channels to kindly convey my good wishes to the people of Tamil Nadu. I am fighting an ideological battle. Last few days have seen historical developments so far as the political scene of India is concerned. 17 major political parties met under the chairmanship of Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi and unanimously decided to make me their candidate in the coming presidential election. I'm greatly honored for the trust they have placed in me. This unity of the opposition parties is inspired by the value system which we all hold so dear and which most of the countrymen and women of India find sacred. These are values for which we fight. We are inspired and led by what Gandhi ji has taught us to ensure the dignity of the Dalits, of the tribals, of the poorest, cutting across all castes and religion, for the women, for those who are weak and marginalized. My battle is to ensure their right and their dignity. I'm also fighting for all of you because we are pained to see that lately the voice which used to come out so strongly and so fearlessly in the channels and in the press is not coming out. I'm fighting for the freedom of the press. I'm fighting for freedom of expression of all the people. I'm fighting for transparency We were the ones who brought the Right to Information Act. We want transparency. We want to end poverty. We want to destroy the caste system. This is what we have been working for. And I am sorry to say, we all feel today, we 17 parties together feel that these principles are now in danger and they are under serious threat. So I am here to fight an ideological battle. I've requested all the members, all the honorable members of the collegium to kindly support me in this battle and not to think of anything else. No other consideration should be there when they have to decide. They should only hear their little inner voice of conscience and act on that. This is my request to everybody. Thank you so much. And now, lately, just now, we had a meeting where Dr. Stalinji was presiding it, and he has, just as his respected father has always supported the cause of the poor and the fight that we have for secularism and social justice, he has in unequivocal terms given his support, and all the MLAs were present there. All the DMK MLAs were present there. They have also signed. They have signed. Kanimojiji is there. She has signed the nomination paper that I have filed. So we have this tremendous support. And just now, after this press conference, I'm going to call on and pay my respect to Honorable Respected Karunanidhi.
Madam, you said the press. One question for you. What sort of promises you have to the nation as well as people of Tamil Nadu, madam?
Yes, for the nation and for Tamil Nadu. You see, I have dedicated my life to the cause of the downtrodden, suppressed people. This is my agenda, and wherever I go, whatever the position I hold or not hold, but this will always be my agenda.
Ma'am, you said you will fight for the freedom of press. Are you getting the feeling that freedom of press is being curbed?
I'm sure you're getting it more than I'm getting it.
There are several papers waiting for the president's signature, just like the case of Ms. Rajiv Gandhi assassination. Will you be in favor of this, ma'am?
No, thank you. Ask about